In the wake of catastrophic flooding, the federal government has approved disaster relief for Western Washington. But where is FEMA? That's the question Senator Maria Cantwell is asking on behalf of the residents impacted by the flooding.
We were in Skagit earlier today and people were like, well, where is FEMA? Where are they? So people want to know, like, where are they? Where are they going to be on the ground? And how can we best communicate with them?
Here's what we know. The emergency declaration covers 16 counties that were hit by flooding, landslides, and mudslides. It authorizes federal help at 75% funding. But Cantwell says she's asking FEMA to get somebody dedicated up here as soon as possible because another weather event is moving through the region. Dams are already at capacity, and those communities simply don't have time to wait.